Hey everyone and good morning to all of you and welcome back to my class. In this video I will cover class 8 maths chapter number 3 exercise 3.2. So for the previous exercise you can go to my YouTube channel and you can find out there. For the introduction part I have already uploaded all the videos. So here I will cover exercise 3.2. Question number 1, find x in the following figure. So here two figure is given. This is triangle, isn't it? And this is square. This is what? 1 2 3 4 5. If it is 5 sides we can say pentagon. And this is what? Triangle. And we have to find the value of what? X degree. Okay, what is the value of x? Here it is given 125. And this angle is what? Exterior angle or interior angle? This is what? Exterior angle, isn't it? Because this is outside, so this is interior and this is exterior. And here also you can see the exterior angle is given how much? 125, and x is also exterior angle. And we know what we know sum of exterior angle of any polygon. Okay, either it is triangle or it is quadrilateral, pentagon, anything, and sum of exterior angle of any polygon. Okay, for any polygon, sum of exterior angle of any polygon is how much? 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. You have to remember this, sum of any exterior angle. Okay, any exterior angle for any polygon. For this polygon also sum of all the exterior angle will be how much? 160 degree. And for this figure also sum of exterior angle will be 160 degree for exterior, not about the interior. But for interior it is different, isn't it? According to the size the angle is different, but for exterior angle all angle is how much? 360 degree. So you have to remember this 360 degree. So now what we can write? Using this we can write 125 degree plus again 125 degree plus x degree is equal to how much? 360 degree. Now 125 plus 125, how much you will get? 250 plus x equal to 360 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. So x equal to 360 degree minus 250 degree. So x equal to how much you will get? If you will do minus 0, then here you will get 1 and here also 1. That means x equal to how much we got? 110 degree. Okay, x equal to how much we got? 110 degree. Now for the next figure, here it is given 60. Here also all the external angles are given. This is 60 degree, and here by looking this, what we can say? This is how much? 90 degree. In question it is not given 90 degree, but if the angle is in this way, then this is what? Perpendicular, and this is what? 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. And this external is also given how much? 70 degree. And here it is given x, and this is not given anything, isn't it? So we have to find this value also. If you will not find this value, we cannot find x value. So what you will do? So here this symbol is given. That means this is what? 90 degree. And this line is what? Linear pair. These two angles is what? Linear pair. So sum of linear pair is how much? 180 degree. So if it is 90 degree, and this will also be how much? 90 degree. Okay, if it is 90, then this will also be how much? 90 degree. So in the same way, this for A, this is for B. In the same way, what you will write? Sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So you will plus all the exterior angle here. 60 degree plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x and plus, here it is not given, but we can conclude this as how much? 90 degree is equal to 360 degree. Now plus all this value, how much you will get? X plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 plus 90, isn't it? So if you will plus all this, 18, so 310 we got, isn't it? So what you will write? 310 is equal to 360 degree. Now x equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. So x equal to 360 minus 310, how much you will get? 50 degrees. So we got the value of x, how much? 50 degree. So come to the next question. Now question number 2, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. So regular polygon means what? All angle and all sides will be equal, and you have to find the measure of each exterior angle. Question number 1, 9 sides, and question number 2, 15 sides. You have to find each means one angle. Okay, for one angle what is the value you have to find. So there are how many sides? 9 sides are there, and it is regular polygon. Regular polygon means all angle and all sides will be equal for that given figure. So what we know sum of all exterior angle of given polygon is how much? 360 degree. Exterior angle. What is exterior angle? Suppose I will draw one figure. Wait. This is exterior angle, isn't it? This part, and this part. These are exterior angle. So we know sum of measure of any exterior angle, okay, for any polygon is how much? 360. Each exterior angle of a regular polygon has the same measure. So for regular polygon, all exterior will also be of same measure. Thus the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 9 sides. So how you will find? 360 divided by 9 is equal to 40 degree. Okay, 360 you have to divide with 9. If it is 10 side, then you have to divide with 10. If it is 11 side, then you have to divide with 11. So you have to divide with number of the side with 360 degrees. So how much we got? 40 degrees. So each angle will be how much? 40 degree. Now come to next question. How many sides is given here? 15 sides. If it is 15 sides, then in the same way you have to solve like question number 1. You have to divide 360 with 15. So this question number 2 is your homework. So please try to solve this question number 2 by yourself. So now come to next question number 3. Question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 360? Now here given the measure of exterior angle is given how much? 24 degree. Okay, the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree, and you have to find how many sides. Okay, number of sides for that regular polygon. So come to the solution. How you will do? Sum of all exterior angle of a given polygon is how much? 360. We know, isn't it? 360 degree. Sum of external angle of the given polygon. Now measure of each exterior angle is how much? 24 degree. So measure of one, each means what? One exterior angle. Each means all the exterior angle will be 24 degree. So thus number of sides of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by number of angles. Okay, 360 divided by the exterior angle. So 360 you will divide with 24 is equal to how much? 15. That means there are 15 sides. Okay, number of sides is how much? 15 sides, and 24 each degree. Each external degree is 24, and number of sides is how much? 15. So 15 is your answer. So come to the next question now. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Now what you have to find? How many sides? Okay, you have to find how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of the interior angle is 165 degree. Here what is given? Interior angle is given, isn't it? Interior angle is given. 165 degree, you have to find number of sides. So let me give you one example. Suppose I will draw one angle, one figure, one polygon. Suppose this is the polygon. Now interior angle is given, isn't it? How much? 165. And exterior angle is not given, and we have to find how many sides are there for that types of polygon. Now if interior angle is 365 and this is what? Linear pair, isn't it? So this angle is equal to how much? Suppose this is x, then x plus 165 will be equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair. So now x equal to 180 minus 165. How much you will get? Here it will be 5 and here it is 1, isn't it? How much we got? 15. That means this angle will be how much? This angle will be 15 degree. Now you have to find, if the exterior angle is 15 degree, then you have to find number of sides. So number of sides will be equal to what? 360 divided by 15. You will get the answer. So come to the solution. I will show you the solution. So here is the solution. What is given? Measure of is exterior and interior angle is 365 degree, isn't it? So measure of each exterior angle will be 180 minus 165 is equal to how much? 15 degree. Now each exterior angle is 15 degree and you have to find number of the sides. And what we know? We know the sum of all exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degrees. So number of sides of a polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by 15 degree is equal to how much? 24. So what is your answer? Number of sides is how much? 24 is number of sides. So to find number of sides, and angle of exterior, what we have to do? 360 divided by the given number. Okay, if we need to find number of sides, then what you will do? 360 divided by each exterior angle. And if we want to find exterior angle, then what we will do? 360 divided by number of sides, then we will get the answer. Now come to next question, question number 5. Here it is given, is it possible to have a regular polygon? So regular polygon will means what? All sides will be equal with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree. Means now exterior angle is, if it is 20 degree, then is it possible to have a regular polygon? That means that polygon can be a regular or not. Okay, if the exterior angle is 22 degree, then if it is possible to have a regular polygon or not. So how you will find? We know sum of, okay, the solution is, we know the sum of all exterior angle of all polygon is 360 degree for any polygon. If the number of sides is 4, 5, 6, 7, for any polygon exterior angle is 360 degree. Also in a regular polygon, each interior angle is of the same measure, and if it is regular polygon, then each exterior angle, okay, not interior, each exterior angle will be equal and interior will also be equal. Hence if 360 is a perfect multiples of the given exterior angle, means perfect multiple means what? If 360 divided by 22, if it is exactly divisible or exactly multiples or not, we have to check. Okay, then the given polynomial will be possible. So here it is given exterior angle is how much? 22 degree. Now what you will see? 360 divide with 22. Okay, if it is exactly divisible, No, this is exactly not divisible. So 360 is not a perfect multiples of 22, hence such polygon is not possible. Okay, such polygon is not possible. So you cannot draw a polygon with 22 as a exterior angle. Got it? Now come to next question. Here it is given. B question. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Now 22 cannot be exterior angle, isn't it? So we got the answer here. It is not divisible, perfectly not divisible with 360, so it is not possible. But if it is possible, if it is an interior angle, okay, if it is interior angle, it is possible or not, how we will find now. Interior angle is given how much? 122 degrees, isn't it? So exterior angle will be 1 in the previous question. If interior angle is given, then exterior will be how much? Exterior will be 180 minus 22. Okay, 180 minus 22. So if you will do minus, how much you will get? 58. Okay, 58. So 158, not only 58, 158. So such polygon, because 158 is also not divisible by 360 degree. Okay, 158 is also not exactly divisible with 360 degrees, so it's not possible, as 360 is not a perfect multiples of 158 because it is not divisible. Okay, it is not perfect multiples. So if it is 22, either it is not possible for exterior also and for interior also. Now come to next question. Question number 6. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon, and what is the maximum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? So minimum means the smallest possible angle for a regular polygon we have to find. Now consider a regular polygon having the lowest possible number of sides. So lowest possible number of sides polygon is what? 3, isn't it? Triangle. So that is an equilateral triangle. The exterior angle of this triangle will be the maximum exterior angle possible for any regular exterior angle possible for any regular polygon. So exterior angle of an equilateral triangle is how much? 360 degree divided by 3. So that is how much? 120 degree. So 120 degree will be the maximum exterior angle. Hence maximum possible measure of exterior angle for any polygon is 120 degree. Also we know that an exterior angle and an interior angle are always a linear pair, isn't it? Interior angle and exterior angle is always a linear pair. Hence minimum interior angle will be how much? 180 divided by 120 is equal to 60. So minimum interior angle means inside one. Okay, interior angle possible is how much? 60 degree, because for equilateral triangle 60 60 60 60 60 60 is only the possible way for a regular polygon. All sides will be equal. If it is 50 50 50, then it will be not a triangle, because the sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degrees, isn't it? If you will take only 50 50 50, it will be not 180 degree. So here minimum interior angle is how much? 60 degree. So this was the last question of this exercise. So hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, any difficulties regarding any question, you can comment in my video. So thank you all of you, and stay safe and stay home, and see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.